I've
yep.
started.
Yeah.
Can I open the door?
Yep.
What RPM is the spindle running right now?
500.
Will it ramp up to any faster in this program?
Yeah.
So is it milling aside or something?
Right now it's spotting for a drill to come in.
How long is this program?
Just over 8 minutes.
Yeah,
I can skip ahead to different tools.
yeah, I want you to skip ahead. I like to keep a video at about 3 minutes. People lose interest.
Yeah.
They go get coffee. I'd like to see it ramped up to a higher RPM if we could.
That's 2,000 right there.
Oh, that'd be good. That's good.
I can go to the last tool and that goes to 55.
Oh wow, that would be cool. Okay, why don't we do that if you can? So you've been running this machine a while?
The last 3 years.
Nice machine?
Yeah, I like them a lot. Kind of feel a little sad that they're going. Make them a little better.
There you go. Oh, looks like a nice machine. He says that's the 5,000 RPM? 4,500. Wow, very nice. There we go. Thank you.
Welcome.